Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to book your very first flight using Chase Ultimate Rewards points. If you've got a Sapphire Preferred, Sapphire Reserve, or Ink Business Preferred card and you're sitting on some points, then you need to watch this video. I'll take you through the step-by-step process from earning the points to transferring them and then finally locking in your seat. Let's turn those points into plane tickets. Chase Ultimate Rewards are one of the best travel currencies out there. You can either use them through the Chase Travel Portal or transfer them to airline partners like United, Air Canada, Virgin Atlantic, and others. The key here is flexibility, and when you transfer to partners wisely, you can often get way more value per point than booking through the portal. To book your first flight, you'll need points. If you're just getting started, here are 4 ways to earn Chase Ultimate Rewards points. Number 1, welcome bonuses. Welcome bonuses are the quickest way to rack up a bunch of Chase Ultimate Rewards. For example, the Chase Sapphire Preferred usually has a sign-up bonus between 60,000 and 75,000 points. The Ink Business cards can have excellent bonuses of 75,000 to 100,000 points. Number 2, spending strategically. Maximize bonus categories. For example, if you have the Freedom Flex card with 5x rotating categories, take advantage of those to earn points faster. If you have a Sapphire Reserve, use your card for 3x dining and travel to rack up points faster. Number 3, shopping through the Chase shopping portal. Shopping portals are a fantastic way to rack up points on purchases that you were already going to make anyways. Use Cashback Monitor to find the best shopping portal rates for the retailer that you're going to be shopping from. Number 4, referral bonuses. Refer your player to or your friends to sign up for their own Chase cards through your referral link. You can earn 5,000 to 10,000 points per personal card referral. Ink Business card referral bonuses are even higher. So once you've got at least 10,000 to like 30,000 points, then you're in business for a domestic round-trip flight. So next, you want to find out which flights are available to book with points. I personally like to use United or Air Canada's website for Star Alliance flights, American Airlines website for One World flights, and Delta or Air France's website for SkyTeam flights. Or if you want to make it easy, just go to pointsya.com and search across multiple programs at one time. You can hop on pointsya.com, plug in your origin and destination, then your dates, and then hit search. The cheapest Chase partner that you see here is JetBlue for about 11,000 miles. So now that we found that, we're going to go to JetBlue's website to confirm the award space. Go to JetBlue's website, type in the flight information, and see if it comes up. You can see here that we found the same flight. It's the same one that showed up on pointsya.com. Once you find the flight that you like, then it's time to transfer your points. So head over to your Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, click on Transfer to Travel Partners, and choose your airline. So in this case, we're going to choose JetBlue. You'll need to enter your frequent flyer number and then select how many points you want to transfer. Transfers are usually instant, but once it's done, then it's done. So you can't reverse it. You can't get them back into Chase. So only transfer after you've confirmed that the flight is available. Then you go back to the airline's website and just go ahead and book it like you would with cash, except you'll use your transferred miles. You'll still need to pay small taxes and fees, so domestically they're really cheap, like $5.60 each way usually for domestic US flights. Once you confirm, you'll get your e-ticket and then you'll be ready to fly. Easy peasy. If you don't want to mess with transfer partners, then you can also book flights directly through the Chase Travel Portal. Points are worth 1.25 cents each if you have a Sapphire Preferred or a Ink Preferred. Or they're worth 1.5 cents each if you have the Sapphire Reserve. So this $159 flight would cost about 12,600 miles if you use the Sapphire Preferred or the Ink Preferred through the portal. And it would cost less if you had the Sapphire Reserve. So it's super simple and you'll earn miles on those flights actually because they do count as cash bookings. A few tips before you dive in. Always search for availability before you transfer your points. Be flexible with dates because award space can be limited and you'll actually find the best deals when you are the most flexible. Try a short domestic flight for your first redemption. It can build confidence and it helps you get in some reps for booking some of those more complicated flights down the road. And remember, you don't need to be a points pro to start flying for free. Just follow this process and your first redemption is totally within reach. Drop a comment below and tell me where you're planning to fly to next with your points. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more travel hacking tips every week. And if you want more travel hacking strategies, check out my blog, mileswithmary.com. And I will see you next time.